Hello, my friends. It's so nice to see you again. Yesterday, you joined me on my farm. We worked together, and I prepared fresh vegetables for the market. Today is market day. I will take you with me to see what happens at the farmer's market, from morning until evening. You will hear simple English sentences and you can practice speaking with me. Remember, try the shadowing method. That means you listen to my words and speak at the same time as me. Copy my voice, my speed, and my rhythm. This will help your English sound more natural. Are you ready? Let's go to the market. It is early morning. The sun is rising, and the air is cool. Today is market day. I walk to my shed and get the vegetables I prepared yesterday. Tomatoes, cucumbers, carrots, and eggs, all fresh from my farm. I put them carefully into wooden baskets. I check each one to make sure it is clean and ready.
Good morning, Jack. Do you have everything for the market?
Good morning. Yes, I have all the vegetables and the eggs.
Did you pack the carrots and the cucumbers?
Yes, they are in the big basket. The tomatoes are in the smaller one.
Good. And don't forget the price signs.
Thank you. I'll take them now.
Do you have enough small bags for the customers?
Oh, I almost forgot. I'll get them from the shelf.
I hope you have a good day and sell everything.
Thank you. I will try my best. See you this evening. I load everything into my cart. I am ready to go to the market. I start my trip to the market. The road is quiet in the early morning. I see green fields, tall trees, and birds flying in the sky. Along the way, I meet my neighbor, who is also going to the market.
Morning, Jack. Going to the market today?
Good morning. Yes, I have fresh vegetables and eggs to sell.
That's good. What vegetables do you have?
I have tomatoes, cucumbers, carrots, and also a basket of eggs.
Sounds delicious. I'm taking fresh honey and apples.
Oh, people will love that.
I hope so. The market will be busy today.
Yes, I think so too. I hope we both sell everything.
Me too. Well, see you at the market, Jack.
See you there. Have a safe trip.
The sun is shining brighter now, and I feel excited to start the day. I arrive at the market. It is already busy. There are many stalls with colorful fruits, vegetables, bread, and flowers. People are walking, talking, and smiling. The smell of fresh bread and coffee fills the air. I find my usual spot and start setting up my stall. I place the baskets of tomatoes, cucumbers, carrots, and eggs neatly on the table. I put the price signs in front of each basket. Before I start selling, I see a familiar face. It's my friend, Sarah. She has a stall just a few steps away from mine. Sarah sells fresh strawberries, and homemade jam. We see each other at the market every week, and we always talk before the day begins.
Morning, Jack. Your vegetables look great today.
Good morning, Sarah. Thank you. I picked them fresh from my farm just yesterday evening.
They look so colorful. I'm sure people will love them.
I hope so. How are your strawberries and jam today?
They're fresh and sweet. I made the jam early this morning.
That's wonderful. I'm sure you'll sell everything.
I hope so. It's a good day for the market.
Yes, the weather's perfect. Good luck today, Sarah.
You too, Jack.
Soon, customers begin to come to my stall. Some buy tomatoes, others choose eggs. I greet each one with a smile and say, "Thank you for coming." A woman picks up a few tomatoes and asks,
Are these from your farm?
"Yes, they were picked just yesterday evening."
They look delicious. I'll take 4, please.
Of course. Here you go. That will be $2, please.
Thank you.
Thank you. Enjoy your tomatoes.
Good morning. How fresh are these eggs?
Good morning. These eggs are very fresh. They are from my hens this morning.
Really? That's amazing. They must taste great.
Yes, they have a rich, natural flavor, perfect for breakfast or baking.
I love making omelets. I think these will be perfect.
Absolutely. I'll choose a dozen of the best ones for you.
Thank you. How much for a dozen?
$3, please.
Here you go.
Thank you. Enjoy your omelets and have a great day.
Thanks. I will. See you next week.
See you next week. As the morning goes on, more customers come and go. My baskets are starting to look empty. The tomatoes are almost gone, and I have only a few cucumbers left. A woman stops by and looks at the table.
Hello. Do you still have some carrots?
Yes, I have a few bunches left. They're fresh from the field this morning.
Perfect. I've been looking for fresh carrots all morning.
These are very sweet and crunchy. I think you'll enjoy them.
Great. I'll take 2 bunches, please.
Here you go. That will be $2.
Thank you, Jack. I'll see you next week.
You're welcome. Have a wonderful day. The sun is high now, and the market is starting to slow down. Most people have finished their shopping. I look at my stall. Only a few eggs and vegetables are left. I start packing everything carefully into my baskets. The empty baskets go back into my cart. I fold up the tablecloth and put away the price signs. As I'm finishing, Sarah walks over from her stall.
Looks like you had a busy day, Jack.
Yes, it was a good market day. I sold almost everything.
That's great. See you next week?
Of course. Have a safe trip home. With my cart packed and everything ready, it's time to head home. The road is quiet now. The afternoon sun is warm on my face, and a gentle breeze moves through the trees. As I walk, I pass green fields and hear birds singing. The cart rattles softly behind me, with just a few baskets left inside. I feel tired, but it's a good kind of tired, the kind that comes after a hard day's work. I think about the people who will enjoy my vegetables and eggs today. It makes me happy to know my farm is helping to feed my community. By the time I reach my house, the sun is starting to go down. I put the cart away, wash my hands, and go inside to see my family. It has been a good market day.